I wanted to show you one more thing, a special kind of gradient. This fill right now has just a solid color. Now it has a linear gradient. There's a radial gradient, but there's also something called a freeform gradient. It will automatically place some different colors in different spots on there, and you can move these around. Let me make sure I'm on the points. You can also draw lines that go from one color to another. You can double click on these points and choose different colors. They can be moved around, and you can even change their strength a little bit, so you can increase their influence for their immediate area. Not super big, but you can definitely tweak things around very easily. You can see there's a red one up here, and you could put one in every section if you wanted to. You just click and add another one and another one. Let's make a black section there. So you could alternate black, red, on a custom shape like this pretty easily. Actually, let's put the red right here on the end of the stinger. That's a lot of fun to adjust these colors and decide just where they're going to go. The freeform gradient. You can also delete these very easily. Just select, press delete on your keyboard, and I'll give this line gradient freeform a try here. Notice how I went a little too far. Let me undo that. Keep one point on there. Take this line, and I'm going to click here and then over here and see if I can click and drag to the next one and the next one and the next one. Kind of make that curve around right there. Then I can go back and change. Let me press escape, double click on these, and change their color along the points so that you have a much smoother, let me see if I can move this. There's the next point on the line. Double click, change it to a different color. You can even still add them if I'm not mistaken. Double clicking and picking different colors along a linear gradient that curves inside of a shape.